I am Rolla Zarifa, board certified in vascular surgery, and I practice at HCA Florida in Palm Beach County. It's a big range of procedures that we perform in vascular surgery. It includes things like venous disease, from ablating veins for varicosities to treating aortic disease, between open aortic repairs to complex endovascular repairs. We have scheduled cases, for instance, like dialysis access that we create. And there are also procedures that we do that are emergencies, like aortic ruptures. My approach to my patient care in the office is very shared decision making. I try to make it a decision for them specifically. I kind of explain all their options. For instance, I'll give an example like aortic disease or an aortic aneurysm. I kind of explain what their options are, which is watchful waiting, endovascular repair, or open repair, and I kind of tailor it to what the patient really wants and is specific to them, whether it's their age or their lifestyle or their goals, and we kind of sit down and discuss what the best treatment option is for them. Something that I can offer at HCA Florida in Palm Beach is that I do a lot of complex endovascular aortic care, something that is not brought to this county, a different perspective, a different unique therapy that isn't really in this county at this moment, and working on building a aortic program for dissections and complex aneurysms with working in continuity with the cardiac surgeons.